and like not talking nasty or negative or rude or being rude to other people, no one's removing you. Because literally my account got taken down for bad, like I guess somebody was talking negative in the live. So I don't know about that. I have my moderators and you're gonna be out. Ever been to Jersey? I have been to Jersey and I love y'all. How am I? I'm doing amazing. You make me feel safe. Oh, honey. Good. I miss your smile. Oh, thank you guys. Oh, thank you, Nate. I appreciate it. I love animals, especially beavers. I've never seen a beaver. I love you. Brickle? No, I'm not in Brickle. Are you? Oh, thank you. You guys, I was not expecting my live to be back up. So I just was like, let me see if I can even have this option to go back live. So I wasn't even ready. I was just testing you. I was just testing to see. So I don't know, maybe if I log out of here, this might be my last time. I don't know, this might be my last time on live. So I love you guys. It's been fun. I did create another TikTok account, but that's like, by the time I get to go live on that one, it's gonna be ages. My celebrity crush, oh my gosh, I think I do. Orky! Yo, where did these come from? These are so cute. They're so different. I do have a celebrity crush. I think it's Jack Harlow right now. He's mad cute. He's so hot. Why? He's too young. Stop, chill. How old is Jack Harlow? Can someone Google that? I have a crush on him. Do you have a boyfriend? I do not have a boyfriend. What color are your toenails? Same color as... He's 24. Yo, that is crazy. I have a lot of 24-year-old guys hitting on me. Joking. I can't believe... No, is he really 24? That's young. That's too young. Are you a teacher? I'm not a teacher. I have a crush on you. I have a crush on you. When meet for coffee, drink coffee? It depends. Good morning. All is well, thank you. If I can travel anywhere, it would be Greece right now. I want to go to Greece so bad. Why are you so beautiful? Thank you. That's so nice. Looking good. I want a date. Hey, Robert. Hey. I don't know. I'm not sure. Do I want a boyfriend right now? No. I do not want a boyfriend. I'm really enjoying being single. I have not been on dates either, and I'm really loving that. Thank you so much for the heart. I appreciate it. Check me out. Fun. If 24 is young, how old are you? I'm 31, so 24 is young for me. Hello from Greece. Hi. I work out every day. Right now I am putting on some muscle. I am growing my hamstrings just because I want to look a little different for summertime. So yes, I do work out a lot. I muscle train and I do cardio. Because if I don't do cardio, I blow up. You know what I'm saying? Drinks on me. I don't drink. I do have wine here and there, so glass of wine. Damn, you don't look 31? Well, I be taking care of myself, saying drink your water, stay out of people's business and trauma. I swear it works. Me too. I'm 6'3", 255 pounds. Yo, my friend Robert here is looking for a date. He is putting his credentials in the chat. Hi, Robert. Your skin is awesome. Thank you. It's because I think it's because I've been drinking a lot of water. My skin last week was trash because, you know, drink water. You look hella good. Thank you. Are you Colombian? Is it? Oh my God! Thank you for the origami. Do I look Colombian? Wait, La Buena Vida? La Buena Vida? Do I look Colombian? Cause I'm not Colombian at all. Following Allison Tremolove. True, I'm working at a hospital, told doctors 100% water works. Yeah, water is everything. Like, not obviously I eat very clean too. Like, I can't eat a lot of peanut butter or any like almond butter, stuff like that, because I break out. But I do eat very clean, so that definitely helps. I can't read. Oh no, hello. Hi, is it Philip? Hello. Hi, Philip. You guys, this is my outfit. It's just this. It's all in here. So there's no need for standing up. Hi from Spain. Oh my gosh, Spain. Another spot. Where am I from? I am Brazilian. I was born in Brazil but raised in South Florida. Hi, let's see. Good morning. Hi, gorgeous. Hello, beautiful from Georgia. Hi. Georgia peaches. I want one. Oh my God, I've been craving peaches. I'm in the mood for sushi. Yes. Poland. Oh, nice. Maine, Orlando. Comfy clothes is the best. You know what? There's like nothing like it. I mean, I have lots of uncomfortable clothes too, but this is it. Like, this is it. Yes, absolutely you do. But Brazil is amazing as well. What city? I am from Goiás. I was born in Goiás. South Africa. Now in the UK. Baby J. Hey from Dallas. Brazilian and Irish. The Jersey guy. I can't even handle it. Really? Are you playing with the mousey? He's playing with Ronnie. Oh my gosh, you guys, my cat's playing with his little mousey. Good morning from Canada. Good morning. And bananas. Allison Trammell. I'm done.